In this video, I'm going to show you how to get peppercorn in Once Human. So this is actually very easy. What you have to do is open up your map and navigate yourself to this red sands area, specifically this thing called Blackfell, okay? You want to teleport over here, and then when you are there, you want to walk up to this NPC over here at the side of this building, side of this kind of bar looking area, and you want to talk to it because it's got a shop inside. And inside that shop, as you can see, you can get peppercorn. Now, the maximum daily limit, as you can see, is 3 peppercorns, and each of them costs 50 energy link, which is this resource up here, or this currency up here. Now, then you press confirm, and you've successfully bought 3 peppercorn. Now you can buy 3 per day from her, as I said, and yes, it's also a possibility to find those things in different loot crates inside the world, so wherever you're exploring. However, I've never managed to actually find these, and I think it can be quite hard. So the best way is to actually buy it from her. Now, you can also, if we come back to her, buy the seeds for this. Let me just find, there we go, peppercorn seeds. You can also buy this and get them this way. It's also possible, and as you can see, you have a weekly limit of 3 when it comes to these, okay? So just keep that in mind, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the best way to get peppercorn in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.